Hi guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio, and here in today's video we want to learn how to create this dispersing effect on your smartphone. You can add them on your designs to add a spice to your designs. So when you add them, it makes it looks is a trending effect. So when you add it on your design, it makes it up to date. You get. So we want to learn how to download it, how to get these ideas from, how to get the emojis, the sticker, the like effect and the rest, and how to curate this. So if you are new, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you don't miss our future. Coming down to my Chrome here, you tap on this and you come to Pinterest. You can use Google as well, so I'm using pinterest.com. This I've once explained where to get resources for you guys, so you can make use of Pinterest. You can also get ideas from Pinterest, so you can utilize this tool. You can download the app or use the website. So I'll be coming to this search. Let's wait for it to load and click on like emoji. Then I like all stickers icon, or let me type love either. Click on search. This love emoji, or you come here and say love sticker, love icon rather. I think that would be more mature. Love icon. And you have it. When you search for them very well, you get the best one you are looking for, or you tap like icon, yes, exactly. You can get this type of trending emojis or icon. You can get varieties of things here, or let's say sticker emoji. 3D guy laughing, 3D something. So you get varieties of things on Pinterest. So after you are done downloading, to download it, you can click on these three dots or tap on it depending on what you desire. You can tap on these three dots here, tap on it, wait for it to load, tap on it, and you see the download option. So I won't be using this. I have one I will be using for this video. So the next app we are using will be our photo room. I'll come to my photo room here. I think it's on portrait mode. So I click on start from photo. There will be a detailed explanation on this on my next video maybe, and some other options you can use to remove background. So I click on gallery. So I already have what I've downloaded, my download items here. So this is the one we'll be using. Okay, I'll use this. Normally photo will remove and deselect that. After this, to deselect it, you can click on, let's wait for it to load. You can click on select graphics and click on cut out, then you do click on cut out. If you don't want it, then you click on restore to restore it back, but we are not doing that, so discard it. I'll cancel. So in this option above, you see transparent. I click on transparent. Okay, the next thing you click on is your graphics. When I tap on my graphics, now I have this option, the shadow, the outline, reflection, anything you want to add to it. But all we want to do is click on blur, this one, blur. Now we have varieties of blur effects. You have bokeh, Gaussian, motion, hexagon, square. You can play around them, and this is used for fading the strength of the blur. So I'll be using my motion blur effect. So this is it. I can fader it depending on how I want to use it on my design. So I think I like it this way. Then I tap on this icon above, then once I tap on it, then I save to my gallery, and that is all. So let's apply it on our designs. I already import this. Let me delete. Click on import. Detailed explanation on how to use photo room and other background removers app will be explained in our future upload. So, and this is it. So that's all about it. So if you are new and you got value, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell, and always comment to show appreciation. Bye.